Angles in names. Types of angles. There are three types of angles: right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. Let us understand first right angle, an angle whose measure is 90 degree. Now we will move towards acute angle, an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Now we will understand angles in names with the help of an activity. So write your name using straight line and count the number of angles in it. Let us consider the name Seema. Now we will count right angles, acute angle and obtuse angle in all the alphabets in the word Seema. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 right angles in the alphabet S. Now we will move towards other alphabets. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 right angles. So we will write here 12 in front of right angle. Now we will count the acute angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 acute angles are there. So we will write here 6. Now we will count obtuse angles. 1, 2. So total 2 obtuse angles are there in the name Seema. Let us take one more example. Now we will consider the name Maya. Again we will count the number of right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle in each alphabet. Now here you will observe that there are no right angles. So we will write 0 in front of right angle. Now we will count acute angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total 10 acute angles are there. So let us write number 10. Now we will count obtuse angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 obtuse angles are there. Now to understand this concept, let us take one more example. Now here we will consider the name Anil. Now we will count right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle in the alphabets. Let's start. 1. So here only one right angle in the alphabet L. So we will write here 1. Now we will count acute angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 angles are there. So we will write here 5 in front of acute angle. Now we will count obtuse angles. 1, 2. Only 2 obtuse angles are there. So we will write 2 here. Now in this way you can easily understand how to count the angles in names with the help of this activity.